Alrighty, problem number 4. Yolanda owns 15 necklaces, which apparently I don't know how to spell because I spelled that with an S. She owns 15 necklaces and she's going out to dinner and she wants to look all fancy and stuff. So she wants to wear not one, not two, but 3 necklaces out to dinner. I know, Yolanda, you're crazy. Anyways. We want to answer this question, so you might be tempted to try to answer this in the same fashion you answered problem number 3. The problem here, though, or the difficulty with that, is that we don't really care what order Yolanda picks these necklaces in. Like, if she's got a pearl necklace and a gold necklace, we don't care which one of those she chooses first, whereas in the racing scenario, we do care who finishes first versus second. So this is not going to be a permutation, but this is going to be a combination because the order does not matter. So we've got 15 total items, and we want to choose 3 of them to wear. So again, if you're like me and you like to go with the definition of a combination, we're going to get 15 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 12 factorial, which I can simplify to 15 times 14 times 13. And then the rest of that numerator is going to be 12 factorial, so that's going to cancel with the 12 factorial in the denominator, and I'll be left with 3 times 2 from that 3 factorial. And I can simplify this. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so I'm going to get rid of that 3, and I'm just going to be sneaky and make that a 5. Let's see, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So if I want to know this answer, all I need to do is 35 times 13. And I'm just doing some silly mental math right here. Just plug it into your calculator. That's totally fine. Another note, well, first off, if you finish this up, you should get 35 times 13 is 455 different ways she could choose these necklaces. But our calculator has a button for combinations. So let's try to remember how we can use that button. So turn your calculator on, and then first off remember that to enter this combination 15 choose 3, before you do anything, we actually want to type 15 into our calculator. So go ahead and hit 15 first, type that in, 1-5, and then go to Math, and then the option up here in the top right will say PRB for probability. Hit the left arrow once and you'll get there, or hit the right arrow 3 times and you'll get there. Whatever, just get there. And then go down to the option that says NCR. And then hit enter and it'll print that NCR on your calculator next to that 15. And then do a 3 and hit enter. And you should get that same number, 455.